I won! But it was so close. I had one card left. What on earth is this? How am I supposed to get out of it?
I don't know. Maybe by buying me a really expensive meal?
What?
Crab dip, perhaps?
Ugh. You trying to make me go bankrupt?
Yes, indeed I am. And you can clean that up too.
I'm still locked in here. Let me out.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our... Oh, oops, forgot about him. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel.
Why'd you leave me all locked up alone in there?
I don't know, because I felt like it. Do you have my lump crab dip ingredients yet?
I do.
Where are they?
Right here.
Fine. Those ingredients are acceptable. But how do we make it? Because I don't want to make it on my own.
I don't know. You start.
Fine. Preheat oven to 350 degrees.
Thaw and drain all excess water out of spinach using cheesecloths if you have it.
We do it like this. In a large mixing bowl, combine the spinach, cream cheese, and mayo. Fold in ingredients to blend. Then add all the remaining seasonings and stir to combine. Add crab meat, mix lightly. Do not overmix as you do not want to break up the lump crab meat. Then place in a greased oven-safe casserole dish.
Sprinkle paprika lightly on top.
Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until browned on top.
Warm the pita bread in an oven with crab dip approximately last 5 minutes. Cut into wedges before serving.
Okay, well now let's try it. But I get to try it first because it's for me.
Well, I paid for it.
But I asked you to pay for it.
But no, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Whatever, I'm just going to go eat. Out of the way. I'm okay. And I'm here. The party may begin. Remember, I get first serving.
What? No, we never
discussed
agreed
this.
on this.
Yes, we discussed this earlier.
But we didn't agree.
But we discussed.
Okay, well, we didn't agree.
That doesn't mean anything.
What?
Would you like some?
Sure, since I bought it.
I get to take it first. You ready? 3, 2, I ate it.
What?
Mmm.
Mmm.
Whoa.
Mmm.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for buying the ingredients, Lance.
Really expensive. More than normal.
I know. Next time we'll have to do something a little cheaper, but this is really good.
Mm-hmm.
Please make sure to like, follow us on Instagram or Facebook, and subscribe.
Bye!